Hello, my lovelies. I am Joy. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make this German apple cake. Very simple and rich. So stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be back after the break. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I have 3 red apples. So watch me closely and see how I cut the middle and remove the seed. You can as well peel off the skin of your apple if you wish, or if your apple is covered with wax. After removing the seeds, I go ahead and slice the apples. Once I'm done, I'll transfer them to the dry, clean bowl. I will repeat the process with the rest of the apples. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of melted butter, followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. I stir them with the help of my wooden spatula until they are well distributed. Once they are done, I will set them aside. In another clean dry bowl, I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. I will continue by adding half tablespoon of vanilla sugar, half cup of sugar, then whisk all of them together. Whisk until they are creamy in texture, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes to achieve. This is the texture we are looking for. So at this point, I'm going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, followed by half cup of butter. Whisk all of them together until they are well incorporated. Now I'm going to sift in 1.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will reserve some of the flour. Then I will continue to whisk them until they are well incorporated. I keep the hand mixer, then go ahead and sift in the rest of the flour, add 1/4 cup of milk, then proceed by using my spatula to mix them well until they are smooth. Oh, my lovely viewer, are you still watching but you've not subscribed to my channel? Click on that red button that says subscribe. It is free. And click on the notification bell and the option select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Share my video with friends and family. Thank you. Here I have 22 cm cake pan already greased and lined up with parchment paper. Here I have my sliced apple. I will transfer the batter into the cake pan. Now shake it a little bit. Watch me carefully and see how I place the apple. You can place the apple any design you want. After that, I will keep the rest for later use. I will transfer the batter to the preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes at 270 degrees centigrade. While the cake is baking, let's make some syrup with 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. When it comes to boiling point, I will add in the rest of the apple. Remember to turn on the heat to medium. I'll keep stirring until it comes to boiling point and the sugar is well dissolved. So I will pour in the rest of the apple, stir them for about 1 minute, then I will remove it from the heat. 45 minutes later, wow, take a look at the cake, golden brown in color. I remove it from the oven and place it on the cooling rack. At this point, I'm going to garnish it with the syrup and the apple, the rest of the apple that I used for the syrup to keep it moist. If you are here, you will confirm that the flavor and the aroma of this cake is worth eating. Just try this cake at home. I believe everyone will ask you for more. See how delicious, how rich, how yummy this cake is. Give it a try. If you like this video, you can as well join me on other of my social media platforms. Please tell me how you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, keep eating healthy and stay safe. Feel free to click on any of my videos that will pop out after this. Bye for now.